Two teams, one pitch, completely different immigration rights. Hi, I'm Patrick. I'm an Austrian immigration lawyer, and every World Cup match day, I'm breaking down what your passport actually gets you in Austria when it comes to immigration. Let's play. So today's match is Portugal versus the Democratic Republic of Congo. On the pitch, this is David versus Goliath, but in Austrian immigration law, the gap is even wider. Let me show you what I mean. Round one, visa-free travel. Portuguese nationals are EU citizens. They don't need a visa to enter Austria. They can stay in Austria for up to 3 months without needing a residence permit to stay. DR Congolese nationals, however, need a Schengen visa before they even leave home. That means an embassy appointment, documents, waiting times, and a decision that can go either way. And that's just to get through the door. Portugal wins round one before the opening whistle. Round two, residence permits. Once a Portuguese national is in Austria and they want to stay for more than 3 months, they can register their stay as EU citizens under relaxed rules. That is their residence permit. Get it and they're done. With full access to the Austrian job market. No quota, no points, free movement is a right, not an application. The authorities mainly focus on whether an EU citizen could become a threat to public order and safety or dependent on welfare. Otherwise, they're good. On the other hand, a DR Congolese national who wants to live and work in Austria has to qualify, for instance, under the red, white, red card or EU blue card system. That means meeting specific salary requirements, having a job offer, having their qualifications recognized by Austrian authorities, which for Congolese degrees can be a slow and uncertain process, and then waiting for a decision. So Portugal also wins round two. Round three, family reunification. EU citizens bring their family members to Austria under a completely separate, far more generous legal framework. Fewer conditions, fewer documents, faster. DR Congolese nationals follow the standard rules under the Settlement and Residence Act. Stricter income requirements, stricter housing conditions, stricter everything. So Portugal also wins round three. Round four, citizenship. Both countries formally allow dual citizenship, so no painful choices on either side there. However, Austria does not allow dual citizenship, so think about that. But the pathway looks very different. A Portuguese national can apply for Austrian citizenship after just 6 years in Austria. In general, a Congolese national needs 10 years of continuous stay in Austria and residence before they can even apply. That's nearly double. So Portugal also wins round four. So what's the takeaway here? This isn't about individual talent. Plenty of Congolese nationals in Austria have built extraordinary lives here as doctors, engineers, entrepreneurs. The system doesn't reflect ability. It reflects where you were born. And that's exactly why knowing your rights and having the right legal support makes all the difference. I'm Patrick from Law and Beyond. Whatever passport you hold, we'll find your path. Link is in bio. Take care.